out, everything out.
Yes.
So let me show you what.
Let me show you what.
Word of the day, new month, new body counts.
Ooh. I already know she a 10 and she always gonna be a 10.
Yeah.
You know, she never gonna mind another one.
I'm a 10, but when you see me at 10 on it,
That's a bad, you know that. That's why.
Kimshimano abang paint. Do you get my point?
I know, I also wear pink.
Like you.
I can wear my khosha.
Jay,
I can
my horse already. Yeah,
wait.
Yes, girl.
You know, I like look shy.
Hey guys, what's popping? HW
On the line.
Okay, sharp. So guys, I go by the name of cause Obi O'Brien. Taban saga what saga mama. Okay.
Hi guys, in chapter 83 you know what's up.
Hey guys, it's a girl's wish my mizi ipodlela lakho le eye stroke pass and ngimnandi njengayo. Makungabi mnandi mina keba mnandi bani. Njangi.
Hey banyana, ke auswalona ausnals on the block.
Okay.
So guys, today we're going to speak about trans, how to be trans, and how do we feel about being trans. Like each and like Swanke, we're going to have opinions.
We have the name trans.
We're gonna have like your understanding of trans. So we're gonna start by Adi,
the baddest bitch in Mzansi.
Okay, when I heard the name trans, ngicabanga usi umuntu oyisabana umfana onebele. If ngasho kanjani? Yes, some are not fully trans, abanye ba fully trans. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay guys.
Okay.
Most of the abiko fully trans. Can you please give me an idea how bangabi full trans?
Okay, angithi abanye ba ama trans banamabele. Abanakuku. Abekho fully trans. O fully trans unekuku. Abenebele.
Okay. This understanding.
Okay, I'm fully trans, I'm a trans, like I'm a daughter. Like abafazi baba trans. Baba ababe namabele. Yes,
I know that one. Yeah, okay,
Okay guys. Mina la.
Okay.
Okay guys. Mina la.
Okay.
Okay guys, mina if ngikanga like nabathi trans, meaning like uzoba like fully woman.
Yeah.
Then ungene nakuma period umithe like yonke lento le like amantombazana ayenzayo nawe like izoyenzeka kuwe. Yabona?
You're understanding.
Yeah. My understanding entirely.
Okay, it's okay. Mina angeke ngokuthi uyi trans ngamabele kapopunas. I'm a trans, mina I'm a trans, I don't wanna lie. Okay, sharp. When understanding yami, I'm a trans. It's someone who has a penis with bobs, someone who has a vagina with bobs. Abanye doesn't have nothing at all like me. I'm a trans, but I don't have nothing at all. I was born trans. Like really.
How trans are you? Like why?
Half trans.
I'm not half trans. I'm not fully trans.
We just describe yourself as a trans.
To me, I'm gay. I'm kidding. Kimwanyana kimshimano abang paint. Do you get my point?
I know. I also wear pink.
Like I was gay before, but I realized which I'm not gay. I'm a trans because I'm a woman. I can't describe myself as a man.
Yes, I wanna know how trans are you? Yes, what made you feel like you're trans? I'll say gay.
Because I don't get that. Gucci. Hey, njengoba kuthi ngiya-explain athi ukahle. Like ukuthi njomani uyavuka, awuvuki njomani.
Okay. Also similar kule yakho because not angivuki.
No, actually, that's why I need to me. I'm a woman because my penis doesn't work. That's why I'm calling myself a woman because if my penis was working, I was going to be a gay because now it's not working. All
Like
to me, no, listen, but when I'm also looking time and say transgender we stubborn transgender. Understanding I'm transgender. I'm a woman. I'm not a man. I'm not gay. I'm not transgender, and I'm a baddie.
Betty!
That's me.
There's a Betty!
You know what's a baddie?
I don't know.
I'm
Just
not.
explain the baby. I wanna know.
No, we haven't got there. We haven't got
I'm a transgender. I'm not gay.
Okay.
Full stop.
So guys, on my opinion, I feel like trans and what I could say about trans is that trans is somebody that has breast, of course, somebody who there are also gays who are gay but they wanna be. You can choose however you feel. You can choose any alphabet. Those alphabets are for you to see where you stand. If you stand on trans, you stand on gay. That's your choice.
Not to choose,
but you have to know yourself where you stand.
Like
you know,
me.
like
Trans.
you should know your feeling. Yes, not
Okay, it would be,
Electrons.
can I say
Yes, so
can
TJ.
I ask you something? After you dance, what
Better translate.
Belela se translate. Okay,
Lale,
maybe
tshwantse khona tsho-
belela se trans. Yes.
Then you get them done,
So guys, yeah, that's for me. Whoever you have to know where you stand.
Yeah.
Question.
Yeah,
Will
good
be, are you gay or are you transgender? Because I'm a trans. I'm not coming down.
I'm not trans.
No, I got you.
I'm a woman.
No, yeah, I know that you're a woman. Like, oh,
Hey, it's my question, guys.
This question.
So guys,
My bad.
Yeah.
so guys,
Stop, I think it's annoying.
Okay. Okay, guys. For me, I want to tell you guys that I'm trans. Why do I say that? Because everything about me is too feminine. It's too feminine. You see, everything about me is too feminine. Yes, I might not have breasts and stuff, but I call myself trans because I'm too feminine. Like I'm too girly. I'm too girly. I don't see myself, you know, like I'm Jean Dombi. I wanna, if you understand. So that's why, because being, you know, it's yeah, it's in me. I'm trans. You know, for now I'm trans, but I wanna have boobs. You know, I wanna be fully trans.
But I don't want that big boobs. Like just one.
I'm very big, but like.
Because I already did try. Hey, I already did try.
So they can get right on that.
Yeah. Okay, shut up.
A point to
Okay, shut. Can I say Snaily? The way you show my corner.
Africa.
Hey,
African.
Mona rak my kakapon. Now, spell my cat. I'm not laughing.
Yo, get it.
Make me free. Make me
And actually, like, okay, when you get ngawe,
Okay,
like, ukuya ngawe, ngoba lo muntu lo fully trans, and ezura ngapho like, begenze ispeech ni, I don't remember. Yeah, because lapana ukhulumile athi before like le video lezoyenzeka, ukhulumile athi we respect LGBTQ community. So labayana ngokuya kwabo baweqile like umthetho like
because we gays. Vele Jimmy, akekho umuntu ozothanda bonke manje. Umuntu trust ngaba yini?
But I'm saying of course.
Mara ama security ngokwabo umthetho bekumele like bahloniphe.
Bathi mina anti like la pestera mababachela ukuthi umuntu so angangena toilet. Mafungena toilet angena toilet.
Cause bona vele already sebe wrong. Seba uphulile nje umthetho.
Maka bangaboshwa ngale manje bana shoot video.
You gay. utrans.
Actually sharp. Oh, ushutile bamise tshwelete re bekakhuluma.
Bekakhuluma and then like ashutha nale security leya. Security like yazivala ngechi.
I'm sure badila naye ke manje kasi daddy.
Ukuya ngawe too. Ku right ukuthi like bamjikise. Or manje.
No, because like fully trans, she's a woman. Akusekho nje into ezombusela ukuthi abe nani noToponke.
Good day everyone, so I'm being told that I need to remove the premises of the Greenpoint Stadium because this person is telling me I am a man and not allowed to use the female toilet. This manager apparently wat nou sy gefriet wil wegsteek vertel vir my ek kan nie die vroumen's toilet gebruik nie want ek is 'n man. Ek is 'n man, ek mag nie die vroumen's toilet gebruik nie.
Good morning. Let me get some light. Morning, happy Wednesday. So, there's something that I wanted to discuss, but I was not sure if am I the right person to discuss it or it shouldn't be. I don't want it to be controversial, but I feel I want to say something about it, right? So, I saw a video of someone in Cape Town at stadium being refused entry into women's or female bathrooms based on his gender or based on his sexuality, something like that. And she, I don't know her pronouns or his pronouns, but she was saying she's trans and the security refused her to share. Please apologize. Firstly, I would like to apologize for misgendering that person because I didn't check their pronouns. And they were refused entry into the females' bathrooms, right? Sharp. Now, I was like, okay, they refuse them because they say they are trans, right? And a part of me wants to speak on that, Uguti. I have slight of an issue if the person hasn't fully transitioned or they haven't transitioned at all. It's just that they dress like a woman and blah, 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 blah. I personally have an issue, as to why they would want to use females' bathrooms if they're not fully, they've not fully transitioned into being a woman. Because the danger here for me is if we're going to allow people to use females' bathrooms, for instance, this is specifically about bathrooms, when they haven't fully transitioned, physically you are still a man. That's my take. So why would you want to use women's bathrooms? And the danger in that, we live in a very sick world. The next thing we're going to have straight men dressing up as women to want to use females' bathrooms so that they can violate, rape. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because there will be someone out there who's watching and has a dirty mind and sees an opportunity to do their dirty things. And that is dangerous. So, correct me if I'm wrong, I stand to be corrected. I don't think it is the right thing for people who haven't fully transitioned into being women. It's the same thing with women who haven't fully transitioned into being men and they want to use males' bathrooms. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But then again, what which bathrooms are you gonna use if they're dressed as a woman and get into the men's bathrooms? Yeah, it's confusing. So maybe we should have gender neutral bathrooms. But that's my take. Correct me if I'm wrong. And tell me what you think. Alright. So here I am sketching my way to sketching my way. Okay. Right. Let's go. Bye bye. I'll show you one day what I'm designing.
For advice.
But I think like big bonakali belly.
Like my belly way punch.
Because they will say she's trans.
She's trans,
She's
like
trans.
me, Chomi. I'm a fully trans, but I don't want pops. I'm a fully trans. No, but like, it trans, I couldn't my belly, couldn't my watch on the top of me. Or no titi. Thank you. So, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay, thank you.
I want to give you an understanding, guys, of whatever he's saying. I feel like Mauye down veiling. Kona my toilet, I too.
Nangela Glea.
Utregile. We patali to run the toilet is in a color mfana, a piana, what the videos or to forget. Then Kono sisters also understand that. I understand those tie, yearly, and Ulonchile Uganj. So it goes good to Avant Bakona Bakand because it's Koleni. Me na bengeni to the temanto mazan. But Mauye de dropping or some way. Especially toilets lay in a markets. It's either markets or corner rights or not homophobic. Homophobic. That's why it's toilet la pair sit down because I remember last time my mom in Futam. By a patalisa and a peturan and an angel fan because my mom gonna be. But in Philanati, La Wandua Patalayo, they have to be kind or something for you because let's all trade for example, we are toilet. Bune cat, la pia or pataleli to run go to get toilet. We are born at Fanana say a shop right la pia. There are two options. We do Mazana. So what if Loba Balaga Fumi? When a one can check Sabangan Bako. Back Chelguti. Yali.
No,
I'm saying a choice to come in.
So next
week's Bomaga be na choice again. But she was fighting for that game. So when I was
okay, when I was in Zambia.
It's a lamb to my coin.
Uncle, we are saying again. We are relying.
Okay, shut
No. Okay, into economics means right. Abanye bangazenza amagay bangasama-gay bangenethatha just for rape. So then we lapha we fully trans. Yes.
You know, and that thing can also happen to you no matter on my shop.
Because the security if low in a young eyes is better lapha, it's a security with account would see why I'm getting still fan. So maybe also security umsebenzi wakhe.
And umsebenzi wakho.
Yes.
Akhambi ngokuthi istabane always. So yabona ukuthi eShoprite if yangena bakhambisa le nale
mina ngizokufika umsebenzi wakhe
hamba uyathethe le amafana ke uthaki istabane ngicela ninginike ispace
you know
Tabakutshela esikoleni ecaleni before.
Angeke
ngicabanga bathi esikoleni why wena ngingachamela ithole abafana ngabatsho ukuthi cishe ngokunomnye mfana afuna
and that can also happen esikolweni and that can also happen esikolweni.
But nothing.
Yeah. You know why? Manginike example. Bangathi khona intombazana eroje intombazana ethole sinema yamantombazana. Maceda bonke abafana abangeni. Abangeni ethole samantombazana babheke wena. Mara ngamkhomba, mara abanye bayathi khohliwe.
Bakathi yona ngimkhumbuli.
Like
abafana bathi
umuntu okrepilo like angazi bathi ungakwazi ukumthola like
yeah, but it's an example too.
But I won't even dare.
But it's an example.
nginekhoku ngiyothinta ikuku kanjani.
Okay, sharp. So damn it today.
Due to I'm a homophobic guys.
Ja.
Another question.
Guys, like, which gender do you think is more homophobic? Okay, what's I'm like cabang kwami ngithi. Ukuya ngami, I don't think abafana they are more homophobic. Amantombazana, you are homophobic kakhulu because azofika like azofika homophobic ngoba hi chomi then udlule ahleke. Why ungavele like ungikhombe once.
Choma yabo nokuthi uyakuhleka abafana yibo aba homophobic.
Chomi intombazana
umfana angakubamba kubulali.
Umfana uhleka
straight. Intombazana uhleka so.
Choma ngithi intombazana sekuhlele ukuthi like uyambasela. So
no, mara they are more homophobic
than
abafana.
Guys. Why? Because abafana chomi like
straight.
Ayithandi lento. Intombazana izothi hi chomi udlule.
Okay, I get your point. Mina chomi like okay sure. Okay, nasena lento ukuthi angithi kunama transgender wamantombazana.
A question then.
Sorry.
Kana chomi like ngiphendulile question yakhe.
Okay. I think
ile yami ngiphendulile mzala.
Ithi
ukuthi like na abafana.
Abafana.
What do you think? Washo kanjani ukuthi abafana? I don't know, like 8 like
mfana like chomi ngaba like me. Okay. Like umfana chomi ungaba like me maybe you think like mara chomi angazi like chomi lo comment ask this chomi okay ngisasibuya
akaphendulanga. Oh,
pendulanga shada wena ke sisiphendula. Ayibo.
Okay, mangicabanga mina I think abafana they are more homophobic and dangerous. Why do I say so? Is that at least uchomo uzothi chomi ngithi nami ngichomi ngithi chomo movie ngithi ebigogo sharp 10 boys yo bayang stress. Umfana uyoqala enaqale ngentembi mase umphendula
afuna ukuhlapha ke.
Yini expect ukuthi ngithule mawuzothi uzolibela ubhiza amagama wrong. Expect ukuthi ngithule. Okay sharp ngiyathula ne ngithule ngizibhambe ngithi okay sharp ngigeli vele ngibheli vele aliphenduli ibheli vele lasifila ibheli vele she knows she a 10 and ibheli okay okay bagi leyo don't tag you
I love it.
So guys, I feel like abanye abafana ba wrong guys. Why do I say so? Angeke umfana azokubiza amagama then mawumphendula whoever angeke ngithi abafana whoever babadala mawumphendula umtshela indaba zakhe akwade. Uyiqalile impi so wow kwada you know mawuthula nami ngiyathula injalo ene khona umfana today uthi own strata o ana siphi strata ubaba ku build siphi strata istrata is so yaza ngidlula itabani kasla kaslakho we understand ikaslakho uhlala kulo but istrata awusikhandlanga ownwa so ngizosho ukuthi nje abanye abantu abasizi ezabafana abazithulele Tubeke, akulimazi.
Okay, one.
Like la obheke nje, awulimazi. Ungayenzi, ungareact. No matter ungathi ho, understand like ne, but I think siqoqeni, you know, siqoqeni kusasemanje because ningaba abafana ba right mara nibe yini as long nathi sibayithi and no one owns any streets as one la estradini uyakhona ukudlula umuntu nje udlule nje ngenzanga next and ngichazela laba bavele bakubheki bakhulume sebele hayi lo libela bacala yesakho hayi sakhe sakho why ungabe sakho ene wena ukhuluma why kungabe sakho ke
ende lo khulumayo uyazithandayo
yabona lo egroupini yakho libela khuluma ngazo
yize uye lo textayo ke
uyeke uzitextayo and we start after 9 no matter ukuthi itabani alethe ne topic yabona nje lo letha nendaba ethi sitabani ngaphakathi
ayihla wena
iyazelaphi like nje bangichazela lapho ni bazothi itabani vele I know ukuthi itabani sinama baby we own the streets, we do what we need to do. We give people what they want, and it's what they get. So like labafana labo ne okay shabazothi dabani but ebayazi amasayidini ukuthi banama fake account abasitexta ngabo bese masesenza ama meet up nabo bese like uyamangala bo
wena
my phone okay sinto like so uyabona like abafana banjalo especially ama yewena like yamthola kufuna ukusho amagaba makabazothola ukuthi ama yewena bobani
bagcwele all over South Africa.
Chamambo abo yewena
bagcwele all over South Africa. Bagcwele.
Yeah,
so wesho kamuka.
Indawo yabo le.
Labo so sharp bazos entertain like ngibona ngathi umfana like entertaining
no usharp yena ngichaza ulozo be entertainer kabi yo stoko yo you know I like that it shows okay you know
uyangihleka
mara awungikhombi awungenzi movie hayi lo omunye wasestradini azothi anikene ngidina kabi lesiyanga ngazichaza athi ubela thini ngidina kabi lo yema Grootman he mani ngisi Grootman yini
Grootman lelesh
swahili swahili
ubhikakile kazokushwayela ngani
obuthi ngiGrootman
ngibathandi laba abadlala kabi yo mina mafuku dlala ngami yo nje ngiyeza bo so guys today we're gonna give you tips on how to be a baddie.
Okay, can I start? Because I'm a baddie.
Okay,
if you are a baddie, don't scared to tell people how you're a baddie. Can you please repeat your question?
How to be a baddie?
How to be a baddie?
How to be a baddie? Ngadinda ukuthi ugcoke kanjani bazothina Friday just wear what you bought ne just be like me like ngizothina understanding yami how like ngiqale kanjani ukuba baddie how to be a baddie you need to know how to design your own clothes you need to know your own style you need to know your own brand you need to know your own expression, your fashionality. You get my point. I started like ubay baddie yami like ubay baddie ubay baddie like ubay that baddie yeah okay sharp guys if you wanna be a baddie it's not like Axishin Axi Temu, Axi like Mr. Price, Axi Next. Like it's not about clothes, guys. In Barcelona, you can design any fashion. If you're going to go to a shop today, I need to be like this. Like a baddie isn't moving, guys. Like you see how I wear it. Like let me try and wait and not no like dalang baddie uzamthi judala baddie like ngazama baddie ngiyoshona baddie
okay
yabona baddie it's not like ukuthi uyisifebe uyini
okay guys
wangvala
chumudini figure
wangvala
mara open
okay I got you my
okay chuma savala nige game on
okay sharp as I said like it's not about clothes it's about your mentality how to wear clothes and you're confident and where is your role model like be yourself guys like I'm a baddie I don't wanna lie like in Kingwanyana or baddie like it is slender sa baddie like let me show you my outfit how my self-made okay I think
baddie okay
you see my outfit
okay
this is a self-made I made it myself listen this flyer I made it myself I bought it from Shein I made it myself from like you guys just like
Yeah.
Like ukuthi mangijayiva like
Yes, most times exact ukuthi you know what.
Like lezi zinto like zibe khombisa ukuthi you are bad. Like guys don't dwell like ukuthi okay sharp ngigqoka ishort ye baggy ngifaka like no, you need to be fashion. Like you need to have fashion. You need to be like Jimmy bad. Let's talk about it ukuthi ngibhedi.
Okay.
Ayithi ngibhedi. Uyini wena?
We braids.
We braids.
Okay.
Ngeke lento yaqala ufika ngayo uzokuzwa abanye bathi mama.
Cela understand ngebhedi usichazela nge-braids.
Thank you.
Okay.
Show me. Ibhedi.
Okay.
The camera, please.
Okay, it's ngicela
Like-
question le ukuthi
Okay, no. No, you said you are a braids, right?
Yes.
So we want to know-
Give us like what's
A
a version
version
Okay.
of a bed.
and you no.
I'm a breast like athanda ukugqoka more like latrices.
Okay.
Yabona ukuthi mama latrices.
Mhm.
Yeah, like I'm a
Mama
breast.
baggy.
No, chome like it is in
Explain.
Then uzo mawuceda yilapho uzokhopha ama-question.
Okay, I get you.
Yabo. Hi Makasa.
Okay, mzala.
Cool. Okay, chum. Like I'm a breast mostly. I'm a breast dog. Athanda ukugqoka more like I'm a latrices but not kakhulu like young understand.
Okay.
Yeah, Twizy is someone like cishe wafana namashukini.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's latrices.
So what are you?
I'm a breast dog.
Okay. Okay.
Then in pretty little question.
Ngicela ungitshele
No,
ukuthi breast
Cynthia.
all yini ngoba nami ngathi nje kusasa ngizofuna ukuba breast all.
Chum. Okay.
Mara was
Like-
Betty.
Cause ngeke nje ushintshe.
Chumi like
Angeke ushintshe once you're born like that you want.
Other people can as I can. So can you please explain?
Now you're pretty. Now you're satisfied pretty.
Chumi ngatshona soyaphuma kwinto yakho. Awungaphumi as crazy mina ngisho. Like when I'm explainile. So
Chumi ngiphume mina ngi-breast
nami
difference.
ngizoba like angisho ukuthi uphuma kwinto
Oh.
obon uyiyo Chumi. I know that you're breast. Chumi ngifuna ukwazi more ngama-breast. Noma kayazi ukuthi
Breads. Breads dog.
Oh, breads.
If like our follower like mostly for follow up Ivy Blake.
I don't follow them.
Oh.
That
Follow
follow.
No, it's like
no Mokele.
okay. Describe how brave.
Hey, yethu bakafunda ukudescribe.
Ah, yes, don't see.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm a breast dolls.
Yeah.
Athanda ukugqoka like mostly like like in okay, like I'm a lentuzane. I'm a breast doll. I'll gqoka like I'm a ngathini? Like uyabona la mabhandi lawa yami. La ushini. Then nama bhegi.
Like mine, Jimmy, like mine was pushing it like washes, like put an Jimmy promote.
Okay, like special bouts guys.
Like my belt. Like this belt.
That's for
Sharp too.
Ah, excuse me.
Okay.
Red la.
Okay, like I'm a like gqoka like I'm a bhegi. Clothes, like oversized t-shirts. Like my t-shirt lawa like uzothola like
Adabukile mphopho.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ile tebe ithi je bekuphenyiyo mzana.
No.
Yeah. Yakhumbula
Adi.
So guys, ukuba i-bread, man ukuba i-doll. Yini?
Ah, kodwa leta yiyo.
Yeah, chamile ibhedi.
Oh.
Akuyi ngomzimba. Akuyi
Yeah, chuma. Chubeka mzana.
ngomzimba. Akuyi ngempahla ukuthi ugqokeni. Just like ibawuwe like ugqoke le fashion lobona ukuthi okay
Izongisutha.
leya ingahlala emzimbeni wakho. Bhedi.
I'm a Betty. You don't say.
It does.
I need to know.
Okay, Adi. Okay.
Ithi question uyini
What are you? Okay. Since you are you a baby?
Actually, I'm not a baby.
Okay.
I can be a baby. I can be brave. I can be
Everything.
like look at
can
me.
be like cheesy.
You guys switch sides each and every day.
Yes, girl.
That's my friend.
We soup. I can be Umakosha. No, I can wear Makosha. I can be
Makhosa already. Ngiyadlala.
wait.
Yes, girl. Yes.
Just like today, I'm see beige today, need braids.
Yeah, I get your point.
You know, I like look shy.
It's a shy.
Yo, so mina I switch personalities, you know, guys. So ngathi ngibheki today kusasa like ngiyaswitcha.
Usho ukuthi kusasa elinye ungaba umfana.
No, I can be a boy toy.
Boy toy.
You know, so I switch sides. I'm versatile. No, Nelly. I can be versatile, you know.
Job, you are
No, when it comes to personalities.
You're versatile.
Yes. I can switch sides. Today I'm gonna be a baby. You
can be our snake if you want.
Wow. Yes.
No, I don't like your style.
So guys, for me, I'm going to decide. I can also be a baby. I can also be a breast. I can also be a screw. I can also be whoever I want. And I want to describe, give you a little brief about how what Betty means to me. Betty is a personality. Betty is a persona.
Yeah.
You know, Betty is not all about clothes. It's all
about how you feel.
It's all about how you feel. It's all about personality, how you carry yourself, how you and a Betty. Let me tell you, never doubt her looks. Never doubt how she looks. And Betty knows she a 10 and she always gonna be a 10.
Yeah.
You know, she never gonna minus a 1.
I'm a 10, but when you see me a 10 on it,
that's a Betty. You know that's why. And a Betty never even doubts how good she looks. You know, and a Betty, like what I see about being Betty is that you have to know that you're a 10. Number 1. Number 2, you never like don't even doubt how you look. You are a 10. You know, and a Betty has to be creative, fashion stylist. You can also be a gogo Betty and a stylish, sexy Betty. You know, that's Betty for me. I can be whoever I want, and I'm personality-wise, I am a Betty. You know, a Betty gets her own things, her own shit. You know, that's what I say about being Betty. Betty don't go around going to, you know, asking for things. You get
like those kind of things.
You kind of think what?
Is it shouldn't be crop top?
Hey, no, it's not all about crop tops and stuff. But a Betty knows how to chase the bag. You know, focus on real shit, not focus on niggas. But if you're not nigga, you now you have to focus on focus on the moolah. You know, so you know. You should know where you stand. That's what I say about being Betty. And you have to be creative.
I feel like I am who I am because I'm a bad bitch.
And if she knows she's a 10. And if she knows she's a 10. She's a 10, over a 10. You should have some coins on a 10. You know. So that's what I see being Betty. I don't just woke up. I was a Betty, but things upgraded, you know. Sense of style. I saw some sense of style. If you guys know my girl, you're never Betty. I saw some good sense of style, so I also wanted to try this shit. You know, that's cool, and you know, I liked it, and yeah, that's it. And I see some other Betties, you know, creativity, and that's what I noticed. You should get something like this Duke. Let me show you guys. This Duke. You know, this Duke. You know, it's like. I saw it from her actually, but she saw it from Tyler. Yeah, but she designed it her own way. I also designed it my own way. So I noticed that a girl has to be creative, and that's how to be a Betty. You know, Betty. You know, I'm not Chanel Betty, but guys, the girl has style like I do, and I'm creative. She's creative. So yeah, you know, guys. So now my shangeni combi very be west. So let's proceed. So
ring topic.
So guys, today we want okay, Joe, we buy only the cake today.
Because like you're going to say J today.
J. Yeah. Today, don't you busy?
But see, sneak peeks for
Senator. I sneak peeks for being senator. Senator.
Oh, guys. Okay, job. Nganya natin din. Kunomunye girl abambiza uLowena. Shout out to Lowena. Shout out to Lowena.
Lowena. Shout out Lowena.
Hi, Lowena.
Hi, Lowena.
Guys, okay, sharp. uLowena usitholele umuntu leso promoter we ingoma zethu. Uthe anytime it's tea time when we must funa ukurecorda, just text him. You know, uzosisa kuye. You get my point. Yeah, samje ukuthi okay, sharp. Thank you. So guys, simthole umuntu ozosipromotela engisibheka uMandla Wenzani. Ngabujula nami, engithengisa amatamati estradeni, engithi esendoda, engithi ngwanyana kisopila, engithi shake it, we don't break it.
Okay.
That's the thing.
So today,
and
guys,
to me, that's the thing. That's why uthi shake it, we don't break it, because unalento ukuthi abafana bathi ungayibreak like that's why
So
I shake it, I don't break it, but I shake it, I don't break it. Oh, that's the thing.
So guys, today we're gonna close the show by giving y'all some outfit check ideas, what we thought about wearing today, what made you think good today we do Kanje. Yeah.
Okay, let me start.
Today, wanyana wa breast, the pointy. Yes, girl.
Today lenje bekubanda ne, but ngifila ngathi ngiyashisa. Ngathi
Wilanga.
out, everything out.
Yes.
So let me show you what.
Okay, guys. As against win.
No, guys.
Hey.
Okay, show us.
Okay, guys.
Show us. Let me show you.
You know. I see the son of my audience.
Okay, buddy.
Taking out bitches.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay. It's time again. No, you have your own camera, child. You have your camera, so confused.
Oh, because you show people how you wear and
No, I
why
have
you
to
wear.
tell them.
Yo,
So
you told me young.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So Mina, today, what I just said today, barely weather be bad, but when he's feeling as Namia, she's like it's 6.
Sharp.
So guys, today, guys.
Yeah.
I have to control my skirt, darling. You know, if it's a size of a bird, you need to make sure with the mouse suguma
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. So you should just suguma. You should control your skirt. So guys, today I wanted to be summer
No, you have to look your cake when you suguma.
So guys, today I want to be Tyler. I want to be a Betty. I wanted to show some skin, some skin and some body, Yeah.
Guys, coming up to watch my music. Why a bit like this today, please? Did you like in Jelly Panting? I start on what's okay, shop. Outfit so. It's on fees that. And then like Mina, yeah, she's like yeah, banda. It's always summer.
Oh.
With baby, like everybody, like yeah, she's like yeah, banda. You say we baby, I'm a baby, I corner, and let me stand up. Like phakama kahle uzilungise ungaphakami like usilidwa like
Yes, girl.
I don't have nails but I can put my fingers as a baddie. You see, like guys, come and so emo because my skirt is too short and I don't want people to see my brand at the back. Kitchen right there, I don't care.
Okay.
You see, I even have I even have like flyers. Like I am protected because I'm a screamer. Like I just gave him, you see, a bad.
Ah, yes.
John Ban's really big band today. So I decided to get 260 degrees.
Yeah! Yes, girl.
Ngishaya to me original
360 degree.
ulale after la
Again.
Cornelis
Go.
Bangathi Jeremy zenze ini kanjani mathiki sosibams
hayi akusithi so chimla nyakaza leli natural
Yes, girl.
So, guys. makubanda endani
There.
yazi nokubanda chumi gcoka okushisa mokushisa ogcoke okushisa mokusnowa ugcoka okushisa mokunetha gcoka okushisa
ama degrees kulaba fine
No, but me, I didn't wait for just guys. I wait for myself and this
Junkie, nama ngigcokela abafana. lapho nje agcokela abafana nagcokela ukuthi nje
okay
mabangiskrimela iwalk yami ivele ibe abheli more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me guys.
Mina like ngithanda vele nje like ngithanda i-drama.
Okay.
Ngithanda angigcokela abantu singisho. Like ngithanda yo stop.
That's drama.
Like that thing.
That's drama.
Okay,
Like
guys.
I feel like singing like
Okay.
Nikki ya. La.
Okay, guys.
Sleep noma umunye umuntu nje noma ngathi wena hayi kwati le nyophe
So, Joey,
baby
Joey, guys.
So
bread like everything.
So, Mina, guys.
Mina chimi second level one.
I'm everything.
Yeah, she's
I'm to my horse.
That's why I need to
I can be a bitch. I can be a hoe. I can be.
So, guys, for me, my outfits, it's not about boys. It's it's a baby outfit. It's a sexy outfit, and
fashion outfit.
And I didn't wait for anybody. And this outfit, like the weather can't ruin my outfit. Like never.
Outfit will always be an
an outfit
outfit.
has to be an outfit for days. So I want to tell you guys, with this outfit, I planned it. I had a vision of it. Then it came out the way it came out, and the weather ain't gonna ruin my outfit, child. No.
so shout out to Sihle
We come to Adi.
I'm the first bitch too.
Okay,
shout out to Sihle, our subscriber.
So guys, we wanna shout out to you guys who are watching us consistently.
These girls who keeps watching these videos, what are they?
Sihle.
Is it
The first one I saw, it was Sihle. Saying she loves us.
Kulego.
And I mean, I never saw anybody, but guys, I see your guys.
I mean, I did.
Show
I
some
can't
love.
remember the
It's
the name.
Love you guys.
Yeah.
Kulego into me love you all guys.
We love you.
Guys, ngimkhohlwa kanjani uGaily.
I'm gonna start.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there a way? Oh,
First thing first.
First thing first.
All my girls, know your worth. Love yourself. Bye.
if you're a baddie, you know you are. If you're a baddie, you should know you're a 10. Don't doubt yourself. Don't look at others how they look. You should know you are a 10.
If you're a
baddie, a baddie knows she's a 10. She a 10, child. She a 10.
You Joe.
She a 10.
Joe.
No, she a 10. She a 10. But she knows, just
she's not
know.
a baddie.
If she's not a baddie, you have to doubt your looks, your physique, and everything. But baddies have to know she a 10. She's more than everything. She can take your man.
I know.
Okay, it's Bosch.
As a baddie, word of the day, but then I call it a stop here. Davila Billy, ipendulum tanagini, uze utoponki, ufihleke as always. Thank you. Stays a baddie, if you baddie, hlala uyi baddie. Njengami angisi matrader angichange senda wena bathi isipika simenda wena istina nje siyazula bathi indlu yohlezi imenda wena ngihlezi ngiyibhedi. I was born baddie, I will die baddie. Sure.
Word of the day, new month, new body counts.
Ooh.